Welcome to week 3 of the Algorithmage Devlog. This week's update focuses more on giving more options to the player, as well as giving quality of life features. It comes out with 2 new spells. The first spell, Repeat, will repeat the spell that comes after it. Repeat can also affect itself, resulting in double the amount of spell. The next spell is Pot of Green. It is a new kind of spell called Instant, and can be cast without turning it into a block. Its effect is to draw 2 cards from your deck. One of the new options is the draw button. If you have too much mana and not enough cards, you can use some of your mana to draw a new card. The cost will increase every single time you do it though. Lastly, we have Wands. Wands are a type of active item that can only be used once per fight. So far, the only one that has been done is the Repeating Wand. Activating it will create a new repeating block for free, which you can use to create more powerful algorithms. Now for the quality of life features. I added the option to click on the deck, which allows you to see your current and full deck. Once the current deck is empty, it will refresh itself and you will draw for a new full deck. One problem about the game is that it was quite annoying to create the spells one per one and track them to the algorithm. The next quality of life feature aims at solving that problem. By default, if you create multiple movement blocks at the same time, it will snap them together automatically, so you only have to drag them once. Then a new settings menu has been added, with an auto-connect quality of life feature. When turned to true, every single spell you cast will be automatically snapped to the last edited block. So if the start block is the last thing I touched, every single spell I create will go at the end of it. That's it for this week's devlog. There are other things that I've been working on but that aren't ready to show yet. If you want to see more of this, feel free to subscribe, as I will post more updates every single week. If you have cool ideas that you would like to see in the game, you can also put them in the comments. And I'll see you next week for more advancements.